Zero. So good morning, ma'am. I Good morning, classmates and Ma'am Kim. Our topic for today is about hierarchy of needs by Abraham Maslow. So, introduction about Abraham Maslow. Birth date April 1908 in Brooklyn, New York. And he died on heart attack on June 8, 1970 in Menlo Park, California at the age of 62. Abraham Maslow, 1908 to 1970, was a pioneering American psychologist and leader of humanistic psychology, best known for developing the theory of self-actualization and the hierarchy of needs. He was a key figure in humanistic psychology, which emphasized human potential. Maslow hierarchy of needs. Hierarchy of needs. Hierarchy of needs. According to Maslow, human needs were arranged in hierarchy with psychological survival needs at the bottom, and the more of creative and intellectually oriented self-actualization needs at the top. Maslow argued that survival needs must be satisfied before the individual can satisfy the higher needs. The higher up the hierarchy, the more difficult is to satisfy the needs associated with that stage because of the interpersonal and environment barriers that inevitably frustrate us. Higher needs become increasingly psychological and long-term rather than psychological in short-term, as in the lower survival-related needs. The theory is widely used in education, business, healthcare, and social science to understand motivation and well-being. So, overview of needs, something that is necessary for an organism. No, this is not an overview. Something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Deficiency would cause a clear negative outcome, or deficiency or death. Can be objective, physical, or subjective. Objective needs food, shelter, sleep. Subjective needs are affection, acceptance, and self-esteem. So, here's the 10 fundamental needs. First is, babasahin ko muna yung kanilang mga meaning saka yung kanilang example. So, subsistence, meaning food, shelter, and work. Example nito is eating 3 meals a day and having safe house to live in. Next, protection. Social security, health system, and work. Having a health insurance, police protection, or living in a safe community. Third, affection, meaning friendship, family, relationship with nature. Affection, example, love in relationship, spending time with family, hugging a parent, or talking with close friends. Fourth, understanding, literature, teachers, policies, educational. Understanding, going to school, reading books, or attending class. Participation, meaning responsibilities, duties, works, and rights. Participation, example, joining a community meeting or helping plan for school activities. Number 6, leisure, games, meaning games, parties, peace of mind. Okay, creation meaning is drawing. Example is drawing, writing a story, cooking, or building something. Identity, language, religion, work, customs, values, and norms. Example, sense of who you are, practicing your culture, speaking your native language, or following family traditions. Number 9, freedom, equal rights. Example is choosing your course in college or expressing your opinions. So, bali wala yung pagsampo dyan, kaya ito, babasahin ko ang transcendence example only. Volunteering, helping the poor or guiding younger students. Furthermore, overview of the hierarchy. Maslow organized human needs into structural hierarchy, usually represented from the most basic needs to the highest form of personal growth. The hierarchy consists of 5 levels into a pyramid model: psychological needs, safety needs, love belongings, esteem needs, and self-actualization. And in relation in social work, Maslow's theory guides social workers to address basic needs first before higher needs to ensure that clients are stable and well supported before helping them to achieve personal growth. And who are the influencers in Maslow's theory to enable Maslow to create a theory like this is number 1, Alfred Adler. His studies is about human motivations and the importance of social relationships. Second is Mark Wertheimer, leader of Gestalt psychology, who inspired Maslow to study healthy and creative individuals. And third and the last is Rod Benedict. Her studies about human culture and personality. And fourth is Goldstein. He introduced the idea of self-actualization. And the core of this theory is human needs are arranged in levels, and basic needs must be satisfied first before a person can be focused on higher needs.
This is the continuation of hierarchy of needs by Abraham Maslow. So, first stage of hierarchy of needs is psychological needs, which is these are the basic requirements for human survival. If these needs are not met, the human body cannot function properly. Example is food and water, air and breath, sleep, shelter, and clothing, health. So these basic psychological needs are need for us as a human, because you don't live without food, water, air, and sleep, shelter, and clothing. And next is safety needs, which is safety needs can be fulfilled by family societies structures such as law enforcement and medical care. Example is emotional security, financial security, employment, social welfare, law and order, freedom from fear, social stability, proper health and well-being, safety against accidents and injury. And scenario is once individual psychological needs are satisfied, the needs for security and safety becomes salient. And in this safety needs is all you need is secure yourself. And next is social needs, which is the love and belongings, reflects the human's needs for social connection and sense of belongings, and acceptance is essential for psychological well-being and can even override safety needs in some cases. Examples: friendship, companionship, family, intimacy, trust, acceptance, receiving, and giving affection and love. This needs is especially strong in childhood and can be override the safety and witness in children who cling to abusive parents. In addition is due to his theory in social needs is we need also a spiritual family, which is we need also the love from agape who is God. And next intimacy need is Maslow classified esteem need into two categories: esteem for oneself, dignity, achievement, mastery, independence, and the desire for reputation or respect from others, status, recognition, and prestige. Or in other words is self pity or selfish. And next is other words is confident and non-confident. And last is self-actualization needs. We need this highest level for Maslow hierarchy. Self-actualization is the desire to reach one's full potential and achieve personal growth. Example is creative innovation, problem solving, and learning, pursuing personal goals and passions, fulfilling one's purpose. Although Maslow did not believe that many of us could achieve the true self-actualization, he did believe all of us experience transitory movements on a peak experience of self-actualization. In addition is in self-actualization needs is we need to join in any kinds of activities like youth camp, because there is so many happiness that connected to self-actualization needs, and join also in different kinds of activities like team building. You can build trust with others. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.